One of the most widely used functions in Google Sheets is the filter function. The filter function returns a filtered version of a range. The function returns the rows or columns that meet the specified condition. The syntax for the filter function is the function name is filter. The first parameter is a range, which is the data to be filtered. Next is the condition parameter. The condition parameter is a formula which is evaluated to be true or false. We can specify more than one condition in the filter function. If the given condition is evaluated to be true for a given row or column, then the row or column is included in the output. Let me explain this by an example. In the given table, let's find the cities where total sales are greater than $4,000 using the filter function. Filter, select the range, in our case it is the city column, and enter the condition. To enter the condition, select the total sales column greater than 4,000. Let me explain how the condition given in the filter function is working. In the condition, we use a range. In our case, it is L7 to L18. And then we mention the expected criteria, which is greater than 4,000. Let's apply the same condition in each cell and see what will happen. Go to the cell under the condition column. Enter the condition as L7 greater than 4,000. The result of the condition is true. Let me copy the formula for other cells. The condition in the rows with the total sales greater than $4,000 returned true. So clearly we can understand if the given condition is evaluated to be true for a given row or column, then the row or column is included in the output of the filter function. Please note the filter function is dynamic. If you update the source range, the result is also updated. Let's update the total sales for Chicago. Now Chicago is included in the result. Let me explain the function with more examples. We have a few rows of employee data. I'm going to filter the employees whose age is greater than 35. Filter, select the range, and make it open so that any new rows added will be included in the filter function. Comma, enter the condition. To enter the condition, we need to select the age column and make it open so that any new rows added will be included in the condition. Enter greater than 35. The out will have the employees with the age greater than 35. In this example, the output is in a single column. In the next example, let's see how to return multiple columns in the filtered output. Go to output cell, filter, and select the entire data, comma, enter the condition. To enter the condition, we need to select the age column. The condition is greater than 35. Now we have multiple columns in the filtered output. So far we have used only one condition in the filter function. In the next example, let's try with more than one condition. Let's see how to filter employees whose age is greater than 35 and work in the marketing department. Go to the output cell, filter, and select entire table, comma, enter the conditions. The conditions are the age should be greater than 35 and the department should be marketing. Select the age column and greater than 35, comma, select the department column and equal to marketing. The result shows employees whose age is greater than 35 and working in the marketing department. By default, when you specify more than one condition, rows and columns that meet all the conditions will be shown in the result. If you want to return rows or column that meet only one of the conditions specified, then we need to use the plus operator in between two conditions. When we use the plus operator, we need to use the parenthesis when entering the condition. Let's see how to use it. Let's find all the employees from Chicago and New York. Go to the output cell, filter, and select the range, comma, enter the first condition. Make sure to include a parenthesis when entering the conditions. For the first condition, select the location equal to New York, enter the plus symbol, and enter the next condition. Select the location column equal to Chicago. The output includes employees from both Chicago and New York. In the next example, let's see how to use the functions within the filter function. Let's find the top 10 highest paid employees. First, let me enter the formula and explain it. In the filter function, we have the range to be filtered and a range for the condition. Next to that, we have the large function. The large function returns the nth largest value. In our formula, it will return the 10th largest salary. So the filter function returns all the rows that are greater than the 10th largest salary. So we get the list of top 10 employees. Note that the output is not sorted by the salary. Let's see how to sort it by salary in the next example. The filter function returns a range of values. We can use the output of the filter function as the input for other functions. For example, to sort the output of the last example, let me use the sort function. Now the output is sorted by salary in descending order. So far we have seen the filter function with static conditions. In the next example, we define a condition based on the value defined in a cell. We have a dropdown which has a list of departments. We want to list out employees based on the value selected in the dropdown. Go to the output cell, filter, and select the range, comma, select the department column equal to the value from the dropdown. If we change the value of the dropdown, the output will be changed. So far we have used rows when we define conditions. In the next example, let's use columns while defining conditions. We have a list of students and their marks in various subjects. Let's find out the marks scored by John. Go to the target cell, filter, select the range to be filtered. Next, select the columns of names equal to John. This will output the marks scored by John. Hope these examples will help you to understand the filter function better. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.